Hello and welcome to this video on user stories. In today's video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about user stories and how they can be used to develop software. What are user stories? A user story is a short, simple description of a feature or functionality from the perspective of the user. It's a tool used in Agile software development to capture the requirements of the system in a concise and understandable format. The main purpose of user stories is to describe what a user needs to do with the software and why they need to do it. A user story can be written in a few sentences and provides a clear understanding of the feature or functionality that the user wants. Why use user stories? User stories are an essential part of Agile software development because they help the team to focus on the user's needs and requirements. The team can prioritize features and functionalities based on the user's needs, which results in a better product. User stories also help to avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications within the team. When everyone knows what the user wants and needs, it's easier to develop a product that meets those requirements. Writing user stories. There are three main parts to a user story: the role of the user, the action they want to perform, and the reason they want to perform that action. The role of the user describes who the user is, such as a customer, an administrator, or a manager. The action they want to perform describes what they want to do, such as creating an account, searching for a product, or placing an order. The reason they want to perform that action describes the benefit or value they get from performing that action, such as saving time, getting a better deal, or improving productivity. Here's an example of a user story. As a customer, I want to be able to create an account so that I can save my payment and shipping information and make future purchases more quickly and easily. In this example, the role of the user is a customer, the action they want to perform is to create an account, and the reason they want to perform that action is to save time and make future purchases more quickly and easily. User stories should be short, simple, and easy to understand. They should also be written from the perspective of the user and should avoid technical jargon or language that the user may not understand. User stories in Agile development. In Agile software development, user stories are used to capture the requirements of the system and to prioritize features and functionalities based on the user's needs. User stories are usually written on index cards or sticky notes and are placed on a wall or board to visualize the development process. The team then estimates the effort required to develop each user story, which helps to prioritize the features and functionalities that will deliver the most value to the user. The team then works on the user stories in priority order, delivering small increments of working software in short iterations. The benefits of using user stories in Agile software development are many. User stories help to ensure that the team is focused on the user's needs and requirements, which results in a better product. They also help to avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications within the team, which saves time and improves productivity. In conclusion, user stories are a valuable tool in Agile software development. They help to capture the requirements of the system in a concise and understandable format, prioritize features and functionalities based on the user's needs, and avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications within the team. If you're new to user stories, start by writing a few simple ones for your product or project. As you gain more experience, you can refine your user stories and make them more detailed and specific. With practice, you'll soon be writing user stories like a pro and delivering high-quality software that meets the user's needs and requirements. Remember, user stories are just one part of Agile software development. To get the most out of your development process, it's important to use other Agile practices such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning, retrospectives, and continuous integration and delivery. Finally, it's important to remember that user stories are not set in stone. As the development process progresses, new information and requirements may come to light that require changes to the user stories. It's important to be flexible and willing to adapt as the project evolves. In summary, user stories are a powerful tool in Agile software development that help to capture the requirements of the system and prioritize features and functionalities based on the user's needs. By using user stories, teams can deliver high-quality software that meets the user's needs and requirements, and avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications within the team. So, start using user stories in your Agile development process today and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.